Output devices. So let's start with the output devices. Uh, as most of you know about that, the devices which are used to display something, okay, from your memory to the outside world, okay, so that are known as the output devices. The output can be in a form of two forms, which can be in a form of hard copy or it can be a soft copy, okay, or soft output or hard output. I think so most of you know that what is a hard output. Okay, the output generated on a paper by an output device such as printer or plotter is called a hard copy output, and the output which is formed or created, okay, or data or information which is stored or displayed on a monitor, okay, is also known as a soft output. The output devices are mostly monitor, printer, speaker, plotter. They are used to transfer information from computer memory to the outside world. So from computer memory, the data is going to these devices. Got that? And the display or print text, graphic or pictures. So they display what? Maybe a text, maybe graphic, maybe picture, maybe uh, some images. Okay, so these are displayed through output devices, or maybe in a form of a sound which is not mentioned here. Okay, the output can be in a form of sound. Let's discuss the first one, output device, which is a monitor. Okay, monitor is sometimes, or we utilize another name for that, VDU, video display unit, or sometimes called VDU. Okay, it is an electronic output device for computer. So most of the computer have this output device, which is a monitor or maybe LCD. Some computer have a LCD or monitor. We will discuss later on the difference between monitor and LCD. It displays the result to the user activities, and the output produced by monitor is called a soft copy output. Yes, we have discussed that the output which is displayed on a monitor, another name we give to that is a soft copy output. We got different types of monitor depending on their sizes and some other features. Okay, so there are some features through which we distinguish the monitors. What are those features? Let's discuss one by one. First one, size. The size of monitor is measured diagonally. What is diagonal? Let me show you. This is your monitor, okay, and the diagonal is just like this in a crosswise. That is a diagonal. So if you are saying that my monitor is 15-inch monitor, so it will be 15-inch in a diagonal, not in a horizontal, not in a vertical. Okay, it will be in a diagonal 15-inch. And the standard size for monitors are from 15 to 22 inches. Okay, we got 23 inches also. It depends upon which one you are using. Another category, okay, we distinguish these monitor is color. So monitor are coming in either black and white or color form. The third one is pixel. Okay, what the pixel is? Pixels are small tiny, okay, dot on a monitor which form the image. So these are a small dot on a screen, okay. While these dots are combined, it makes your image. Right now, what is the difference between pixel and resolution? While we calculate the total number of pixel in per inch, okay, or total number of dots per inch, so that is called a resolution of your monitor. Got this thing? Pixel is a small tiny dot. So just like in a mobile you have a camera of 15 megapixel, 13 megapixel, or 21 megapixel camera. So that is how many, that means that the how much big size the picture will be produced. Resolution is in a 1 inch, how many dots will be there, or how many pixel will be there in a 1 inch square inch basically. Okay, the another one is dot pitch. Okay, while dots are there, so in between dots, let me show you some point here. Let's suppose I have a one dot here and another dot here. Okay, these 2 pixel, third one pixel, fourth one pixel. These 4 pixels are there, means 4 colored points are there. So you can see a gap or a space between, you can see a space or gap between these pixels. Okay, that gap or space is known as a dot pitch. If this space is less, okay, then your computer or monitor resolution will be high. If this space or gap is bigger, okay, your dot pitch or your resolution will be not that much clear. So keep in mind that the lesser the dot pitch, more the resolution of a monitor. Monitors are categorized into three types. One is a CRT monitor, cathode ray tube, liquid crystal display, which is LCD, and third one is LED, okay, light emitted diode, and another one which we got is a TFT. Okay, so these are different types of a monitor. CRT monitors or crystal ray tube monitors. These monitors are similar to the standard television set. Okay, the television set, old television set which you have in your home, they are same like that. Inside it, what we have inside it, we have a cathode ray tube inside it. Okay, this cathode ray tube contain a vacuum tube, or we can say that vacuum is inside it. What vacuum is means the air will be not inside it. Okay, uh, it contain a electronic gun, and at the front the screen, okay, we got a phosphorus coated screen is there. So these guns fire a beam of electron which fall repeatedly on the phosphorus coated screen, and it will glow for a fraction of a second. So maybe you think, sir, that every time the gun will start firing electron. Yes, it will fire electron in a 1 second 60 times, means 60 per second, 60 times per second it will fire electron, so that the still image will be displayed to you, still image. Okay, in color CRT monitors there are three guns. While we have, if you see, the color monitors are there, okay, and three guns are there. Which color guns are that? That is red, green and blue, RGB. So all the other colors are created or produced by the combination of these three colors. Another monitor which we have, that is a liquid crystal display. Uh, that is a modification, or we can say that improvement in a CRT monitor. Right now, what is happening? It is a thin and lightweight monitor. The monitor get uh, the weight of the monitor get reduced, and the dimension of monitor also get thin. Okay, inside this monitor or this LCD liquid crystal display, a substance is there between two sheets. Okay, a specific liquid is there between the two sheets. The molecule of the substance are lined up in such a way that the light behind the screen is blocked or allowed to create an image on a screen. Uh, you have a clock. I'm talking about digital clock. You have inside the screen which is there, that is a liquid crystal display screen. Okay, while you press that, so you can see some liquid is showing inside it. It produces sharp image as compared to the CRT monitor. Yes, and radiations are less. If you're using a cathode ray tube monitors, so maybe your eyes get more strain. But when you are using liquid crystal display monitor, so the strain will be less on your eyes. Okay, so therefore those who are using cathode ray tube monitor, we tell them avoid using those monitor. They are widely used for applications just like computer monitors, televisions, and clocks. Okay, they are usually more compact. Their weight is they are lightweight, and they are portable, means you can move it easily because the weight is less, and they are less expensive, means price is less as compared to the cathode ray tube monitor. The third one is light emitted diode or LEDs. Right now, the latest one is we use a light emitted diode unit or LED monitors. The above than that is the OLED. OLED. But right now we are going to talk about a LED monitor. Okay, what is there? What is inside it? Diodes are used to emit a light, okay, and which produce a pixels, okay, for a display. In contrast with the LEDs, these monitors produce bright image. Yes, if you use a light emit diode or liquid crystal display or CRT monitor, what is happening? Uh, in a liquid crystal display, the screen is not that much sharp. The screen is not that much sharp. Okay, if you're going to see your screen from a side, so it will not produce a sharp image. These monitors these monitors produce bright images, and it will consume very less power as compared to the liquid crystal display and CRT monitor. Their life is also long. The only thing which is drawback inside this liquid crystal or sorry light emitted diode, that is they are expensive as compared to the liquid crystal display and CRT monitors. Another output device is a printer. So let's discuss about that. Printer are used to produce hard copy of output. Yes, the output which are coming from a printer, that is known as a hard copy. Right now you are seeing that most of the printer are connected through USB port. Yes, if you see, most of the printer are connected through USB port. But old printer which we are having, they were connected through a parallel port. It was a port of a combination of 25 pin. The color of the port was pink color. Okay, at the back of your computer, if you see a pink color port is there, so that port is known as a parallel port that were used for connecting printer to your computer. Old printers, okay? Old which one? Dot matrix printer, okay? Still dot matrix printer is using, and they are connected with the computer through parallel port. Printers vary in their capability based on the following characteristics. While we differentiate a printer, so some categories are there or some characteristics are there through which we say that this printer belongs to this category, this printer belongs to this category. First one, quality of output. Okay, how the print is going to produce, good quality, low quality, high quality. Okay, the ability of a print graphic. Some printer are able to produce a graphic, some printer are not able to produce a graphic, some are only created for creating graphics or pictures. Okay, and the last one, which is mostly most people uh, see this thing, the printing speed. Okay, that per second, per minute, no, not per second, basically the printer speed are measured in a minute. Okay, in a 1 minute how many pages it can print, so that printing speed. There are two categories of a printer. One is impact printer, another one is non-impact printer. So first of all, let's discuss the impact printers. Impact printer are those printer which is just like a typewriter. Okay, uh, these are old printers. Inside what is there, one head is there, and inside the head striking mechanism is there, pins are there which strike the ribbon, and the ribbon is between the page and the head. Okay, so once these pin come out, okay, so the it hit the ribbon, that is a carbon ribbon. Okay, and the image is produced on a page. So use electromechanical mechanism which cause the character shape to strike against the paper and leave the image of character on the paper. Example of impact printer are which one? Dot matrix printer and chain printer. So these two printer are known as a impact printer. Right now the print quality is low inside the impact printer, remember that, and their speed is also slow. But the problematic thing inside it, they produce noise because the head moves. It will produce a noise, lot of noise over there. Dot matrix printer have 9 to 24 pin range of matrix, okay, to produce the print. Okay, print sharp, and this you can see in a picture, that is a dot matrix printer picture. The another one, impact printer, which we have, that is our daisy chain, or we can say that chain printer. It's a very old, okay, old type of line printer, and it contain characters in a chain, means one chain is there, characters are embossed on that. So which character want to print, so that will be aligned to the page, and a hammer will strike over there, and it will produce image just like a typewriter, just completely like concept of a typewriter is used on a chain printer. So chain move rapidly by two gears pulling uh, pulleys with a printer. Example of that is IBM 1403 chain printer, which is shown in the figure. uh, these are basically the impact printers, means something is going to strike the page. Okay, an impact printer, something hit the page, so that is known as an impact printer. Let's discuss the another one, non-impact printer. Non-impact printer produce a print image without striking the paper. So right now nothing will hit the page, okay, in a non-impact printer. The printing quality and the speed of this printer is better than impact printer, which I've told you previously that their speed is faster. Non-impact printer speed is faster as compared to the impact printer, because mechanical work is less inside it. These printer produce very little noise while printing. Yes, it is just like photocopiers. Okay, so the uh, commonly used these printers are inkjet, and these are two types of a printer which are known as an impact printer. One is a laser printer, another one is an inkjet printer. Okay, so in an inkjet printer are uh, character printers. We can say that they produce character by character. Okay, and they produce line by line or character by character. They form character and all kinds of images by spraying small dot of ink on a paper. Inside what is there? A spraying bottles are there. Okay, one is a cartridge, another one is a toner. Okay, so inside it toner is there. Okay, and that toner have ink while characters are printed. So these ink is sprayed on a page, and a small tiny dots are produced on a page. After that it will go to the roller, where a heat is going to be given to the page and image is going to be displayed. So inkjet printer are cheaper as compared to the which one, laser jet printer. The expensive thing inside an impact printer is their cartridge. Okay, and the quality of that is good. Quality is also coming inside it, but they don't produce too much noise. Okay, inside it multicolor cartridges are also available in these printer, and their speed is slower as compared to the laser printer. The image is shown over here. You can see the inkjet printer. While we talk about laser printer basically produce an entire page at one time. In a in a non-impact printer, inkjet printer will not produce the whole page at once, but laser printer will print the whole page at once. Okay, the same technology is using which we have in a photocopier. Okay, same technology is used in these laser printer. They are faster and silent in operation. They will not produce too much noise. The printing quality is very high as compared to the uh, inkjet printer and other dot matrix or all other printer which we have. And it will print a graphic also or multicolor. Okay, inside it color printers are also available in an inkjet printer. Another one output device which we have got is a plotter. Okay, plotter is also output device used to produce large size hard copy outputs. Okay, so they are not utilized for A4 page or legal page. While you want to produce a big size page just like Panaflex, okay, or you want a big drawing maps, or you can engineering drawings. So for that we use a what, plotters over there. We got two types of plotters. One is a flatbed and another one is a drum plotter. Plotter types we are going to discuss here. Flatbed plotter. In a flatbed plotter, it plots on a paper. So a complete page will be put inside it, and a pen of different colors move with a holding mechanism on the surface to draw image. So you can see basically a page is there. Okay, it will be put, and there are some colors pen over there, and these move and draw image on a page. Another one is a drum plotter. In a drum plotter, paper sheet is feed from one side, and drum of the plotter rotates to move the paper to the another side. So means it will just uh, write, or we can say that it will print on the area which is coming over there. Okay, so these plotter are used for large size Panaflex. We utilize for Panaflex mostly these drum plotters. These flat bed plotter are utilized for what? for engineering purpose means A3 pages, okay, or for maps, small maps, or architecture design, for that flatbed plotter are utilized. Okay, speaker, another last one, output device, which is their speaker. Speakers are audio output device that are attached to the sound card of the monitor, okay, and where you're going to plug with the system unit, you're going to plug that, and they are connected with the sound card of your computer, okay. So the output which are produced through speaker, that is known as a soft copy, okay, in a form of voice. Speaker are available in different shapes and size. They are available in different shapes: small speaker, big speaker, okay, or with amplifier, and without an amplifier they are also available in a market. Thank you for listening to me. Have a good day. See you in next lecture. Have a good time. Allah Hafiz.